today's video, we are going to show you how you can utilize the Apparel and Share option in the EasyView Online Designer. Once your design is ready, all you have to do is simply click the button that says Apparel and Share. From there, you can choose the garment that suits your needs best, and the color that you would like to see it in. And once you've chosen the garment that you would like, simply resize and reposition your artwork. You'll then want to change the watermark that says Easy Prints to match your company name. In this example, we've used MVP Apparel. If you would like to send a preview of the artwork to the customer, simply use the email button at the top, and in the From box you will type your email. In the To box you will type your customer's email. You can then enter any subject line you please and email a copy to yourself by checking the Email Copy to Sender box. Alternatively, you can also click the Download button to download a PNG file of this image. If you'd like to show the client what the art will look like on the back of the t-shirt, select the Show Generic Apparel box. Doing this will allow you to see it from the side, from the back, and long sleeve and short sleeve options, as well as several other non-apparel items. Those are just a few ways to use our Apparel and Share options. Happy pressing!